we're back.
Hooray.
Now time for some witness testimony.
Accused, state your name and occupation again, if you would.
I'll be your guide.
No, and then your name.
I'll be your guide.
No, and your occupation, we got it. Now do your name.
I'll be your guide.
Okay, just say your occupation, that's fine.
I'll be your guide.
Who's on first?
I'm training to be a monk, and I'm a tour guide too. Your guide.
Why me? Now, where were we?
Temple.
Sorry, I threw up a little bit. Cross-examining the defendant, Your Honor. Your Majesty.
You never played an Ace Attorney game before, Your Majesty?
Right. Let's do that then. At the defendant attorney's request, I might add...
He sounds a little disappointed. Dispirited. His wife must have given him a piece of her mind.
Then he needs to get more spirit. Spirit of justice.
Oh, nice.
Well, the defense had better get to it. And make it quick, if you please.
The defense? Mr. Wright, I didn't know you were a lawyer.
I keep saying that. I told you when we met. Well, I am. And I'm here to defend you, Albie. Don't worry. All you have to do is tell the truth, and you'll be alright.
Has Phoenix never played an Ace Attorney game? That's me.
Oh.
You tricked me.
Yep, gotcha. Stupid.
It's not Apollo.
Dumb kid. What?
If I knew you were a lawyer, I wouldn't have given you that tour.
What?
I gave you for discounted everything.
Why? What?
They hate lawyers here. Give back that Magataman I gave you yesterday.
Okay.
Kind of ate it.
I threw it away, Albie. I'm sorry. Oh, Albie, what's gotten into you?
Don't talk to me. You disgust me.
Okay. Your Honor, I had rescind my offer for defense. See you later. Now even Albie's against me, but why?
This must be a new experience for you, Mr. Wright.
No.
No.
Not
really. It's pretty par for the course.
Being loathed by a client.
No.
Have you never played an Ace Attorney game?
Have you? Yeah.
Now then, accused, please give the court your testimony. The incident occurred around noon, the same time as the stream.
Hot dog.
During the break between the morning and afternoon dances of devotion.
Knew that'd come back.
Yeah.
I want you to tell the court what you were doing around that time.
All right. Witness testimony.
Here it goes. Here it comes.
Ooh, new witness testimony thing.
Ooh. Fancy pantsy.
The accused account. I didn't kill Mr. Roll, and I didn't steal the treasure.
Objection.
I'm not allowed to go anywhere near the treasure room. I've never even seen that treasure box with the green Kuranese butterfly on it.
Oh, boy. Your Honor, can we take a recess?
Oh, Albie. Sweet summer child. When the incident happened, I was in the hallway, planning out my tour route.
Were you well acquainted with the victim?
Yes, he used to chat with me whenever we ran into each other in the temple. Mr. Roll was a monk in training when he was a kid too, you know.
That's cool. I bet Albie looked up to him.
Literally, because he's short.
Who do you call him short?
But he had to give that up and go to work when his family needed money.
Aw.
That's why he became a guard. But at least that way he could still stay on at the temple. He was so proud when he was put in charge of guarding the treasure box.
Oh boy, I get to guard the treasure box.
He even got to carry the box to the palace for the New Year's rite.
I get to carry the box. Hooray!
The victim's parents apparently both died relatively young, because this is an Ace Attorney game.
You either die young or you're old bag.
Okay.
So Mr. Roll had to support his younger brothers and sisters as well.
Oh my god, what an anime.
Yeah. It's Ace Attorney. Have you never played an Ace Attorney game?
Maybe I did once.
But even with his job as a security guard, I'm sure things couldn't have been easy for him.
It sounds like his circumstances and Albie's are very similar.
Foreshadowing? Mr. Roll encouraged me to never give up. Albie, you're in an anime, so you have to just persevere. Albie, you train hard and make sure you become a monk one day.
I wasn't sure what he meant by an anime, but I gave it 100% believe it.
Don't end up like me, he'd say. I'm a cautionary tale. He was always cheering me on in my training, and my tour guide business too. Why in the world would I kill a nice man like that?
Because you're a monster, Albie.
Yes, I see. You expressed yourself well. Guilty. Defense. Now that you've heard the accused account, are you finally satisfied? Guilty. Let's go home. If so, let's drop this and get an expeditious conclusion.
But, Your Majesty, I haven't even cross-examined the defendant yet.
That wasn't it? But it's been so long, I don't rightly recall what this cross-examining thing is all about.
Okay, so I'm pretty sure the magistrate has not played an Ace Attorney game.
I don't know. Maybe he did and he just forgot.
Yeah.
A judge who doesn't know what a cross-examination is. What the fresh hell is this?
Well, Judge, it usually takes like 3 days.
And no more.
I really do wish I could remember how it works.
Time for a tutorial. Should I get... Okay, so do we want to do the tutorial or just be like, I know how to play Ace Attorney?
I know how to play Ace Attorney, but should we do the tutorial for the stream?
Yeah, probably. Just in case some people don't know.
Might as well. Strap in, folks.
Select everything. Press everything. Select your evidence.
You
present.
Save before every piece of dialogue. Try all the evidence until you win.
Yeah.
Your Majesty, please allow me to explain the process.
I kind of want Phoenix to just like bullshit this and be like, well, we do it this way, and then I win.
First we play poker. First, we lawyers listen carefully to a witness's testimony. Then we touch it. We do that.
Yeah.
To open the court record and examine the evidence.
And why would you do that?
To find and present any evidence that's inconsistent with the statements given.
Present? I certainly don't need any gifts from this year.
Same guy, same judge.
Yeah, definitely the same judge, or a clone. That's you.
Clearly, something is getting lost in the translation with His Majesty. The point is, it's possible that a statement could be a lie or a mistake.
In fact, that always happens every time.
But what do you do if you can't find any inconsistencies in a witness's testimony?
That's what evidence is for.
In that case, you may press the witness for more information. Pressing a statement might reveal new information or even entirely new statements.
Also, it opens up funny dialogue, so you want to press everything.
Thank you, Phoenix.
Presenting evidence is one thing, but pressing witnesses. Well, I'll have you know, defense, I do not allow violence in my courtroom.
Rest assured, only gentle verbal pressure is used. No physical force is involved.
Yeah, the only physical force is against Phoenix.
And the desk.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not convinced. After all, who knows what sort of tactics an attorney will resort to?
What we just said about Phoenix and the desk sounded kind of dirty.
One false move, and I'll call the bailiff.
Yeah, something's definitely getting lost in the translation. For now,
Ryan's localization team's not very good.
Korai's localization team, use more puns. For now, I should just focus all my energy on questioning Albie. And comparing his statements with the information of the court record.
Yeah, okay, Phoenix. We've played Ace Attorney. We know how to attorney.
Here go. Oh, hell yeah. Just like old times.
And Miss Sedgeworth.
Oh, man.
I didn't kill Mr. Roll, and I didn't steal the treasure. Press.
Bullshit! That's what it says instead of hold it.
Bullshit!
I believe you didn't do either of those things, Albie.
You do? But you're a lawyer. Of course you'd say that.
Yeah. Now, there's no need for that.
Don't patronize me, sir.
But he's right. Lawyers always claim their clients are innocent, even if they have to lie.
Yeah, and prosecutors always claim they're guilty.
Objection. Prosecutors are lawyers. Contradiction found. Take that.
We win.
We win. Not guilty. Confetti.
Just like you're doing right now, accused.
It's you.
Don't let me in with that, lawyer. I'm not lying. I didn't steal anything, and I didn't kill anybody.
You stole my money, Albie. That is true.
Also, I like how our little,
The bombs.
yeah, the little
The tries.
penalty thing is different now.
I'm not allowed anywhere near the treasure room.
You're not allowed near the treasure room. Why is that?
It's a rule of the temple. They keep a lot of important things in that room. Like, the treasure.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yes, the Founder's Orb, in particular. Only the royal family may lay eyes on it.
Didn't Mr. Payne say anybody witness the spiritual power of the orb goes blind? Unless they're wearing sunglasses, Payne did it!
Headcanon accepted.
I heard you wouldn't be blinded if you just looked at the outer treasure box. But I've never been anywhere near the treasure room. I'm too scared.
I don't blame you.
You've got to believe me. I've never even seen that treasure box with the green butterfly on it that I happen to know that has a green butterfly on it.
So this is the statement that really gets me, because how does he know that he's never seen it? I mean, he could be possessed by a ghost right now.
Yeah, could be a ghost trick.
A box with a butterfly on it.
Yeah, you can see it in that newspaper article. Look.
Oh. It's black and white.
See? There's a
Does it say relief?
Yeah.
there's a relief of Kurani's butterfly on the treasure box.
Oh, that design here colored on the back of the box. I see it now. It's black and white. How does he know it's green? Shh. How does he know? My foot's asleep.
Ah.
Oh, sorry. Oh, God. Oh, no. Is everything okay? Earthquake. It's an earthquake. I promise.
It's a sacred butterfly said to carry the soul of the Mitomo of the departed. Its wings form a logo with the cradles of the Mitomo and carries it to the Twilight Princess.
Nintendo games.
As you can see, there's even one depicted here behind the judge's bench.
Well, what do you know? There it is. Though it kinda looks like he's about to be carried off into the Twilight Realm himself.
Anyway, I've never even seen this treasure box. Besides, when the incident happened, I was in the hallway, planning out my tour route.
Planning your tour route.
Ellipses. Yes, I was planning out a tour for you.
For me? Well, thank you, Albie.
I'll be darned. I wouldn't have done it if I knew you were a lawyer.
Oh,
I wasted all that time on you. Give it back!
I can't. That's an abstract concept, Albie. Can't give it back. Sorry. Sadly, I'm a lawyer, not a time lawyer. Lord.
I thought Apollo was the one who liked Doctor Who.
Actually, as soon as he heard that that's what I am, he's been a totally different person. I certainly don't think Albie committed the murder. However,
Don't talk to me. You disgust me.
aw,
Sniffle.
I'm sorry.
I thought you were cool.
I mean, I haven't showered in years. That outburst earlier makes me wonder if he'll willingly tell me the truth. I'd better compare his statements to the court record carefully. Here comes the fun part of Phoenix Wright. If I find an inconsistency, I can present some evidence, and maybe I'll get him to open up.
So we're gonna present that evidence right after a quick break. Be back in a few seconds.
Okay.